What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here are 6 secret credit bureaus you should know about. Several small businesses collect and sell various types of consumer data to companies that need to make a decision about you. The Fair Credit Reporting Act applies to these smaller credit reporting organizations as well, which means you have the right to an accurate credit report and the ability to dispute any wrong information with the credit reporting agency in order to have it amended or erased. The 3 major national credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, are familiar to most consumers. While most lenders take your credit history and credit ratings from one or all of these bureaus, they aren't the only ones. These minor credit companies are also covered by the statute that provides a free credit report once a year. The only difference is that you must obtain a free copy of your credit report from the agency directly. Learn about these minor credit bureaus so you'll be prepared if your information is utilized in a credit decision. ChexSystem. Banking information isn't included in any of your traditional credit reports unless you have an overdraft that goes to a collection agency. ChexSystem is a checking account credit bureau. When you apply for a checking account, the bank will most likely run your information via ChexSystem to see if you're at risk of having one. ChexSystem gathers and provides information on checking account applications, openings, and closings, as well as the reason for the account closure. You should check your ChexSystem credit report at least once a year to ensure that there is no incorrect information on it that would prevent you from transferring banks or creating a new account. Certegy. Certegy maintains a check writing history database to assist businesses in deciding whether or not to accept consumer checks. They also provide check screening services to check accepting retailers. Businesses utilize Certegy to limit the risk of check fraud, and if your report contains unfavorable information, they may refuse to accept a check from you. Even if you aren't a frequent check writer, reviewing your Certegy report can assist you in detecting when someone else has written faulty checks in your name. Innovis. Because it gathers comparable information to the main 3 credit agencies, Innovis is often referred to as the 4th credit bureau. Many businesses utilize Innovis ID verification data for pre-screening new consumers, which helps with fraud detection and prevention. They also gather a variety of non-traditional credit information, such as rent payments, magazine subscriptions, and utility bills, among other things. Innovis offers you the option of ordering your annual credit report via mail, phone, online, or in person. Clarity Services. Experian's Clarity Services collects and distributes data on various credit transactions that aren't included in standard credit reports from the main credit agencies. Payday loans, installment loans, vehicle title loans, check cashing services, and rent-to-own enterprises are among the subprime lending firms they target. Experian's Clear Early Risk Score is based on data gathered by Clarity Services and is designed to assist lenders in evaluating non-prime clients who are contemplating alternative financing. To get a copy of your credit report, Clarity Services provides a downloadable form that you can send or fax along with a copy of your government-issued ID. Teletrack by CoreLogic. Payday loans, rent-to-own enterprises, furniture retailers, auto financing, subprime credit card providers, and debt purchasers are among the subprime lending items covered by Teletrack. These companies may not report to the 3 main credit agencies, so your accounts will not appear on your credit reports. Instead, these companies use your Teletrack credit record to decide whether or not to lend you money. By printing and submitting a copy of the request form, you can obtain a copy of your Teletrack credit report. CoreLogic Credco. Major lenders, such as mortgage and car loan lenders, use Credco's integrated credit data. Your information from all 3 credit agencies is combined into a single file in the consolidated credit file. Personal information such as property ownership, loan responsibilities, legal property filings, rental applications, collection accounts, consumer bankruptcy, liens, judgments, and child support obligations are also collected by Credco. By printing and submitting a copy of the request form, you can obtain a copy of your Credco credit report. Now that you're aware of a few more credit reporting companies, check your credit report with them to ensure everything is correct. Now go get that money.